Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the print head alignment so that you have better print quality, and it will also remove any printing errors available. Now first step is to switch on the printer. Use any device like laptop, computer, and go to the HP Smart app. Now select your printer in the app and you will go to the tool section, and here you see alignment and maintenance. Click on it. Here you see the option align print head and click on the align button. So here is the print head alignment page, and you will see it display all the information here what to do next. The next thing is to just scan this page. So open the top scanner lid, place the page facing downwards here, and you can press any copy button, black or color, once and wait for the alignment to be done. Also go to your printer app, it will display all the things here. So once the scanning is done, we will click OK button. That means our print head alignment is successful. As we can see, click OK and we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.